Aloha. My pen name is Kamikona. I'm a Hawaiian fantasy writer. I met Daniel Hall on a webinar, and I cannot even begin to describe the content-rich presentation that he made that caused me to purchase his Real Fast Book program. He actually gives it all to you before he even sells it to you. It's really interesting. The first time I've ever had an experience like that, because I've been scammed before on the internet for various programs. They all promise you something and they don't deliver. The one remarkable thing about his program is that he will follow you step by step. The program is designed for that. And I've never seen anything like that, especially since I'm PC challenged. But you will not go wrong, as I said before, if you're in on any of his webinars or his presentations. He gives it all to you before he even sells it to you. Unbelievable. Aloha.